Good morning, children. This is your English class. Now I am going to take first lesson in English, My Pet. What is a pet? Pet is an animal or bird that you keep for pleasure and treat as favorite. See the picture of a pet, a cat. Cat is very cute and brown in color with beady eyes. Dogs. Dogs are very faithful and loving. They guard our house. Goat. Goat is a domestic animal and it gives us milk. Rabbit. Rabbit is also reared by people as pet. Their eyes are like a beautiful red beads. Birds. See different birds like a parrot, myna, lovebirds are also rare as pets. In the story, My Pet, there is a little girl with a pet. This pet which is holding is young one of a goat. Young one of a goat is called as kid. Now we shall move on to our lesson. On my way. Here you can see a small girl holding on to her pet. The girl name is Valli. The pet name is Chittu. As they were walking along the road, they saw a beautiful yellow colored flower. Yellow colored flower is known as daisy. They spoke to the daisy and left the place. Next, they meet a beautiful butterfly, and next they meet a huge mango tree with lots of mango. Valli and Chittu spoke to the mango tree and appreciated its beauty. Then they came across two black kittens. Valli and Chittu introduced themselves to the kittens. Now Valli and Chittu were able to identify the character in the story. Now I will ask some questions from the story. Who are the main characters in the story? Valli and Chittu are the main character in the story. Who are the characters whom Valli met on the way are daisy flowers, butterfly, mango tree and kitten. Daisy flower, butterfly, mango tree and kitten. Shall we read out the spelling now? Daisy flower, D-A-I-S-Y, daisy, flower, F-L-O-W-E-R, flower, daisy flower. Butterfly, B-U-T-T-E-R-F-L-Y, butterfly. Mango tree, M-A-N-G-O, mango, tree, T-R-E-E, tree, mango tree. Kittens, K-I-T-T-E-N-S, kittens. Daisy flower, butterfly, mango tree and kittens. Now we will learn some keywords from this lesson. Keywords, K-E-Y, key, words, W-O-R-D-S, words, keywords. Valli, who's Valli? That little girl, right? She's Valli. V-A-L-L-I, Valli. Chittu, C-H-I-T-T-U, Chittu. Who's Chittu? Valli's pet kid. That is Chittu. C-H-I-T-T-U, Chittu. Big tree, B-I-G-T-R-E-E, big tree. Way, W-A-Y, way. Friend, F-R-I-E-N-D, friend. My, M-Y, my. Shall we read it again? Valli, V-A-L-L-I, Valli. Chittu, C-H-I-T-T-U, Chittu. Big tree, B-I-G-T-R-E-E, big tree. Way, W-A-Y, way. Friend, F-R-I-E-N-D, friend. my, my, my. Next, we will go to the alphabet jungle. See the alphabet jungle. Shall we read it out? A for ant. The ant is in its hill. A for ant. The ant is in its hill. B for bear. The bear in its cave. B for bear. The bear in its cave. C for cat. The cat is on the tree. C for cat. The cat is on the tree. D for dog. The dog is in its house. D for dog. The dog is in its house. E for elephant. The elephant is in the forest. E for elephant. The elephant is in the forest. F for fox. The fox is in its hole. F for fox. The fox is in its hole. G for goat. The goat is in the shed. G for goat. The goat is in the shed. H for horse. The horse is in the farm. H for horse. The horse is in the farm. I for ibis. The ibis in the lake. I for ibis. Ibis is in the lake. Shall we read the alphabet jungle again? A for ant. The ant is in its hill. B for bear. The bear in its cave. C for cat. The cat is on the tree. D for dog. The dog is in its house. E for elephant. The elephant is in the forest. F for fox. The fox is in its hole. G for goat. The goat is in the shed. H for horse. The horse is in the farm. I for ibis. The ibis is in the lake. Children, we have completed the class for today. Thank you.
Good morning, children. I hope you're all fine. Today we shall learn Unit 1 in Maths, first standard. Topic is shapes. What are shapes? Shapes is the form of an object. That means it can be round, flat, oval, etc. Now I will show you different shapes. First, look at this picture. It is circle. Now spell the word with me. Circle. C-I-R-C-L-E. Circle. Next, we can see a square. It is not round. It has 4 sides. Spell the word with me. S-Q-U-A-R-E. Square. See this picture. It has only 3 sides. It is called as triangle. Spell the word triangle. T-R-I-A-N-G-L-E. Triangle. Now we see another picture. This has 4 sides, but it is longer in size. This is a rectangle. Spell the word, children. R-E-C-T-A-N-G-L-E. Rectangle. Now we see a different shape. It is called oval. Have you seen eggs? Eggs are oval in shape. Now spell the word oval. O-V-A-L. oval. Now this picture is very different from all other. It is a star. Have you all seen stars? Yes. Next, we see a five-sided figure. It is called pentagon. Why? This has five sides. Penta means five. Now spell pentagon. P-E-N-T-A-G-O-N. Pentagon. Now see this picture. Hexagon. Yes, this has six sides. So it is called hexagon. Hexa means six. Now spell it. H-E-X-A-G-O-N. Hexagon. Next we shall learn the sides and corners. This is square. It has four sides. Next, we are going to learn corners. How many corners that square have? Square has four corners. Count the corners. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 corners. This is rectangle. It has 4 sides. How many corners that rectangle have? Rectangle has 4 corners. Count the corners. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 corners. What shape is that? Pentagon. How many sides that pentagon have? Pentagon has 5 sides. Count the sides here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, pentagon has 5 sides. How many corners that pentagon have? Pentagon has 5 corners. Look here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 corners. Next, hexagon. This is hexagon. It has 6 sides and 6 corners. This is triangle. It has 3 sides. Count the sides. 1, 2, 3. It has 3 sides. So it is called triangle. Look here, we can find 3 corners of triangle. Triangle has 3 corners. What shape is that? Circle. Circle has 1 curved side but no corners. Next we are going to learn round, flat, corners, edge. Children, spell with me. R-O-U-N-D, round. F-L-A-T, flat. C-O-R-N-E-R, corner. Edge, E-D-G-E, edge. These words very important for this lesson. Look at the picture. The ball is round. The orange is round. The slate is flat. The book is flat. Take the object as round or flat. Look at the picture. Watermelon is round. Remote control is flat. Next, we are going to learn edge. Look at the picture here. Hand is pointing to edge. Next, we are going to learn corner. Look at the picture here. Hand is pointing to corner. Children, look at the picture. How you will find the corners in this picture? Find and color it. Look at the picture. How will you find the edges in this picture? Find and trace it. Children, today we learn shapes and sides, corners and edges. Thank you.
Good morning, children. Today we will learn environmental science. The lesson is on living and non-living things. Living things have life, but non-living things have no life. Now see this picture. You can see human beings, plants and animals. So all these are living things. Now next picture shows cycle, table, socks, car, doll, chair and comb. All these are non-living things. Let's see the next one. You can see stars, water and wind. These are naturally created by God. Features of living things. What are the features of living things? Living things move, grow, eat, drink, breathe and reproduce. Look this picture. Dog can move. Plants, human beings, animals grow. Girl is eating and drinking. Hen is laying eggs. Eggs are hatched and chicks are produced. Girl is breathing. So these are the features of living things. Features of non-living things. What are the features of non-living things? Non-living things don't move, don't grow, don't need food or water, don't reproduce, don't breathe. Look at this picture. Chair, ball, books and shoes. They are non-living things because no life in them. Living things are dependent on non-living things. For example, animals and plants depend on water, air for their growth. In this picture, we see the growth level. For example, small plants grow and become big in size. Babies grow up and become an adult. Baby elephant grow up and become big elephant. Next picture shows that living things need water and food for their growth. Some living things can be used to make non-living things. Look at this picture. From strawberry plants, we can make jam from their fruits. Next, we see that from trees, we can make table, chair, coat, etc. from the back of trees. Next picture shows living things reproduce and move from one place to another. Horse young one is called foal. Elephant saying one is called calf. Human being saying one is called baby. Next picture shows fan, car, dress and water can. These are non-living things because they cannot move, grow, breathe or reproduce. Now, this is an exercise for you children. You have to mark the living things who need food to live. Living things are dog, monkey and elephant. They need food to live. Non-living things are rock, feathers and pin. Last picture shows butterfly is a living thing which grows, move, reproduce and eat food. Tree is living thing which grows, breathe and get food and water from the soil. And the last picture is bag. Bag is non-living things, does not grow, breathe or reproduce. Here a girl is telling, I'm Harini. I have a puppy. I call him Jimmy. I give him eat. He eats it quickly. I play with him. He jumps on me. I love him very much. And I have a doll also. I call my doll Ammu. I try to feed it. It does not eat or drink. It moves only when I win the key. I like my doll very much. Here, Harini wondered why her puppy ate food but her doll did not. Do you know why? Because dog is living things and the doll is non-living things. Now children, I'll give you some dictation words. Just read along with me and learn. First one is puppy. Second one is food. Third one is eat. Fourth one is play. Fifth one is live. Sixth one is drink. Seventh one is grow. Eighth one is feed. And the last one is move. Let's read the spelling. First one is puppy. P U P P Y. Second one is food. F O O D. Food. Third one is eat. E A T. Eat. Fourth one is play. P L A Y. Play. Fifth one is live. L I V E. Live. Sixth one is drink. D R I N K. Drink. Eighth one is grow. G R O W. Grow. Ninth one is feed. F E E D. Feed. And the last one is move. M O V E. Move. Thank you children. This lesson is on my wonderful body. Our body has different parts. Each body part has special name. Let's see. This is eyes. This is nose. This is ears. This is mouth. This is tongue. This is cheeks. This is head. This is hair. This is neck. This is chest. This is stomach. This is arm. This is hand. This is knee. This is leg. This is feet. Look at this picture. Some parts of our body are in pairs and some are single. Our body has 2 eyes, 2 feet, 2 knees, 2 legs, 2 hands, 2 shoulders, 2 ears, 2 arms, and 2 elbows. Next picture shows our body has 10 fingers and 10 toes. Next picture shows each finger of your hand has a name. Do you know the names? First is thumb finger. Second is index finger. Third is middle finger. Fourth is ring finger. And the last one is pinky finger or little finger. This picture shows one boy is writing, another one is painting, and the last boy is eating. Here, one boy is jumping, another one is walking, and the girl is running. Next picture shows one boy is swimming and the kids are dancing and the baby is crawling. So, we can do many things with our hands and legs. We can see some parts of our body, but some others are within us which we cannot see, like internal organs, lungs, liver, kidney, stomach, brain, and heart, which we cannot see with our eyes. Next picture shows 5 sense organs. We are able to understand and enjoy all the things around us because of our sense organs. Let's see the names. First is sight. Second is hear. Third is smell. Fourth is taste. Fifth is touch. Sight. We can see things around us with the help of our eyes. For example, the boy is watching TV with the help of his eyes. Hearing. It helps us to hear different sounds. For example, the boy is listening to music with the help of his ears. Smell. We smell through our nose. Our nose can smell different types of smell, like smell of flour, smell of garbage, and smell of medicines, etc. Taste. Tongue helps us to taste the different things like sweet, sour, salt, etc. The boy is taste the lollipop with the help of his tongue. Next is touch. We can feel a thing by touching it. For example, if I touch the blanket, I can feel the softness. Next is feelings. We experience different feelings like happiness, sadness, fear, and anger. We show these feelings with our facial expression. Now we will learn the Philips. First one is there are 5 sense organs. We see with our eyes. Lemon is sour. Mango is sweet. Let's read the spelling along with me. First is sense. S E N S E. Sense. Second is eyes. E Y E S. Eyes. Third is lemon. L E M O N. Lemon. Fourth is mango. M A N G O. Mango. Now, this is an exercise for you children. You have to write the name of the body parts. First is eyes. E Y E S. Eyes. Second is nose. N O S E. Nose. Third is ears. E A R S. Ears. Fourth is mouth. M O U T H. Mouth. Next is cheeks. C H E E K S. Cheeks. And the last one is hand. H A N D. Hand. Now we will learn the dictation words. Just read along with me. First is body. B O D Y. Body. Second is hair. H E A R. Hair. Next is smell. S M E L L. Smell. Fourth is organs. O R G A N S. Organs. Next is taste. T A S T E. Taste. Next one is touch. T O U C H. Touch. Next one is skin. S K I N. Skin. Last one is see. S E E. See. Read that again. Body. Second one is hear. Third one is smell. Fourth one is organs. Fifth one is taste. Sixth one is touch. Seventh is skin. And the last one is see. Thank you, children.